idol, lakas naman feeling niya.
Alright, so guys, we're live here at Lambana Airport. So invite mga friends mo, Jazz from Stella Valley, Davao City, Cebu.
Ito mga friends, mga check pa magkana, na ako legit mo dyan kayo. Legit, legit.
Okay, alright. So, be in consultancy. Kim, ba sila kayo i-invite na nga?
Oh, yeah, ko. Naragay daw.
Yeah, special. So guys, yeah, airport pickup, accommodation, and of course, Josh.
Yes.
Yeah, we help you. So, alright, let's go guys. Until next time. Alright? So, anyone gusto pupunta sa Australia, study, let us know. And Josh, come on.
Let's go.
Kasi na kayo ka na.
Idol, naragay lang mga ipang-classes na
How to, paano mo i-invite, paano mo i-convince pa mga kaibigan, mga friends to give this project a study. Masaya.
Hindi naman kailangan mag-burn. Ano naman, paano, bilhin siya? Ano?
Okay.
2 months process.
Yung page mo.
Ay, itong page day guys, itong JB's mini vlog. Paki-like na mga chuy, ng mga info na to dito.
And one thing I forgot. So, ilang months yung process mo? Less than 2 months, right?
Yes, sir. So, this is the 2 months. Yes, sir.
So, less than 2 months ang process natin. Ganun kabilis. Well, and siguro nagtitiwala tayo sa
Yes, sir.
at the same time, nagtitiwala tayo sa taas.
Kaibigan ko talaga sir, sabi niyo,
Sabi nga sa Bisaya, salig lang. And trust us, trust God, trust the process. Talagang para sa'yo. We're here.
very legit. Very legit. I'm here in Melbourne, Australia.
Alright, thank you so much guys. And yung mga any prospective applicants na paparating dito, marami pang darating. Next week, may darating na rin. So guys, thank you very much. Yeah, until next time. See ya. See you all here. God bless us all. And Mark 11:24. Okay? Whatever you ask for a prayer, just believe it.
Yes.
Alright, thank you guys. Bye. God bless us all. See ya.